Welcome to a cozy winter-friendly beginner makeup. In this video, I teach on how to apply makeup for beginner using basics beginners makeup product. So I'll be starting out with my moisturizer. As you can see on my face is very well moisturized. First thing first is to get a very sharp eye pencil. So this eye pencil is from Essence. So get a shade that suits your skin and give it that perfect arc according to the shape of your face. After that, I'll be using my face foundation. This face foundation is from Maybelline in the shade of 003. So we'll be using the same shade as my skin tone for the downside to conceal the eyebrow. While for the upper part, I'll be using a concealer for the upper part of the eyebrow. Moving on, get a foundation brush just to smooth it out and blend it thoroughly to the skin, and be careful not to clean the arc that you've made with your eye pencil. So for the under eye, I'll be using a concealer with one shade lighter to my skin tone to give it this bright under eye. I'll be using this liquid blush, and this product is from Essence. This blush can also serve as a lip stain. I love this liquid blush because it's highly pigmented to the skin. It gives you that instant glow, and if you're a brown skin girl, you need this liquid blush because it's going to stand out in your skin. So moving on, I'll be using my face foundation, the same face foundation that I used as my concealer for my eyebrow. So this foundation, just as I said before, is from Maybelline in the shade of 003 Chestnut. So get a foundation sponge and blend it to your face. Apply this technique that you're seeing in this video. So we'll be trying this Shane Glam contour that I got. This product is from Shane, so this is my first time of trying their product, so let's see how it goes. This is a face contour, so let's try it out, guys. This face contour was not actually bad, it was nice. So if you want me to do a details video on affordable Shane makeup product, so let me know in the comment section. I'll be using this green eyeshadow. So this eyeshadow is from Essence also, and this can also serve as a festive eye look. We all know that festive period is around the corner, so if you want to serve that popping green and gold eye look this festive period, I recommend that you go for this look using Essence green eyeshadow. So I'll be fixing my stick-on false lashes. So these lashes, I got it from Pennies. I can't actually remember the name of the product. Time for makeup powder. One thing about a finishing makeup powder, it will help to absorb excess moisture from the product you previously applied to your face, like your foundation. So this product is an Italian product, and the name is Tara Beauty. This is also a face powder, so we'll be using a different technique to apply it. Just get a face puffer and apply the powder under your eye to help give it that soft and bright under eye, and use your powder brush to finish it up. I'll be using this Big Pop mascara, and it's also from Essence. We're using a little bit of green, the same green eyeshadow we applied before under the eyelid. The reason because it's festive period and it's winter, so you want to step out radiant. This is a cherry powder blush from Essence. Get a face sponge and apply it previously on the spot you apply your liquid blush before. This translucent powder, also known as baking powder, is from Revolution. So this is a shade for all. So get a face puffer and apply it under your under eye and allow this to sit for some minutes, and we'll come back to it later. This is a brown eye pencil. I'll be using it as a lip liner to line my lip, the upper part and the down part. Then I'll be using this Essence Nude lipstick in the shade of Cherry 03. So after that, I'll also move on to this Cherry lip gloss. I love this Essence Cherry lip gloss. I love the sparks that it gives to your lip. So we'll take a brush and brush off the excess of the translucent powder. After some minutes, just brush it off and makeup is ready. So if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in my next video. Rate this in the comment section and let me know what you think. Bye.